Hello everybody. Today I am doing an unboxing of the $1,000 boosted board. Super excited to get this. I guess just right off the bat, I want to recommend these guys because they were super quick at shipping this out to me. I honestly ordered it Thursday night, and honestly it came in on Saturday. So I was super stoked about it because I wasn't expecting this for a good minute. So it's just an unboxing. I'm just honestly super stoked to get this. Okay, so all right, let's see. Let's get this going. Oh, this is a fat package. All right. Whew. All right. So here are the specs. So I guess it's just the boosted Mini X, 14-mile range, 20 miles per hour top speed, 20% grade, hill climb, and regenerative braking, which is cool because this is gonna be my new commute to work. Honestly, I love cruising and I love riding my board, but it's like if I can do this to commute to work, that's an even better plus for me. So I'm just excited to open this. Well then, let's get this open. Ooh. Make sure that's still in frame. Perfect. So, beautiful packaging. Oh, open it this way, I guess. And there it is. This grip tip is nice. It looks like there's more gray but it's all the same texture here. And this, oh my gosh, this is heavy. So the cool thing about this is that it already comes pre-assembled. So we got a nice little board. I'm guessing this is like a wheel lock or something, so it doesn't rotate. But like I said, and this is like a little protection for your tail. Well, honestly, I'm just gonna play with this more. I'm gonna take it out for a spin, and you know, beautiful packaging. Honestly, just by how fast they shipped it out to me, I'm pretty impressed with this company, how fast they got it to me. So I recommend it so far. All right, well, I guess I'll go see what's in the box. I just want to ride this right now. So I guess here's the accessory box. Obviously it has to come with a controller, so I think that's about it. This is just, yeah, that's about it. So I don't need that. Open, and look at this beautiful packaging. Okay, honestly, I'm thinking this is where all the papers and shit like that, like instructions and whatever, but and this is a little toolkit. I'm assuming it's just tighten your trucks, your bolts. Yeah, because you got these trucks over here. You got your little wheels, tying your wheels, these things. We got a little hex key or whatever you call them, and of course the remote, which feels nice. I've ridden other boards and the remotes are all similar. So one thing that the only reason I really wanted this board is because, you know, back in the day I used to do a lot of downhill, so I had these longer boards, but now I'm just cruising. So this is the perfect size for cruising, perfect size for commuting, because like I said, I'll be taking this to work, so it's nice I won't have to carry a fat board around, especially with the batteries the fat boards have. I mean, I know this battery is pretty huge, but it's portable. Cool. Well, that's about it from I think. So like and subscribe. Oh, we got more stuff. Duh. Obviously, yeah. How the heck am I supposed to charge it, right? So we got our cable, our power supply. I'm guessing it's an extra belt and a sticker. 2 stickers. Right on. All right, cool. All right, like and subscribe. Peace.